Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be starting this on my hair. Yeah, my hair is really thick here and it's not really moisturized. So for you to be able to find your way through your hair, you have to section it, and I'll be using just a leave-in conditioner for this. I'm not going to be using like any special products. You also be needing Flexi Rods. So what I'm doing now is applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair. This leave-in conditioner is so good. I don't even need to spritz water on my hair. I just slather the leave-in conditioner on my hair, and then I use a comb, a white tooth comb, to detangle my hair. This is what I'm going to do, and when I detangle, I'm going to roll my hair with the Flexi Rods. Please make sure that when you are rolling it, you tuck in the ends of your hair very well, just so that the ends of your hair are not exposed and prone to breakages. All the products and tools that I use to achieve this style look will be in the description box, so you check them out. Please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell beside the subscribe button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So now I'm done putting all of the Flexi Rods in my hair. I'm going to leave this for 4 to 5 hours maximum, and to take this down, I use this oil. I just slather it on my palms just so it doesn't feel so dry when I'm touching my hair. And these Flexi Rods really stretched my hair. Like my 4C hair, it has never stretched to this extent unless I use I blow dry it. That is when it stretches like this, and I was so happy when I was taking down these Flexi Rods. So make sure that when you're taking them down, you make sure you apply oil, not too much, but just one that will go around your hair, just so your hair doesn't feel really dry. To give it that bank that we're looking for, I'm going to go in with my white tooth comb and kind of pick my hair to form a bang in front, and also pick it up so that it can be full and look this looks like a wig, a natural hair wig, but this is literally my natural hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and tap the bell beside the subscribe button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.